in this task, we need to have update inventory file, and then we need to create a playbook to create an empty file. If you go to Ansible directory, we have an inventory file. I'm just gonna use cat command to replace everything. So use str02. This can be anything, but make sure to put str02 to get succeed in this task. And then Ansible host. You can use host name or IP address, and then Ansible underscore user. That's a Steve, and then Ansible underscore ssh underscore pass. So that's America. That's fine now. So if you want to check it, you can run this other command to check it. Ansible all. So I'm just gonna ping all hosts. We have only one host, and then I'm going to use module ping, and I'm going to supply inventory file. So it's a success. That looks fine, and inventory file. Now create a playbook. Vi playbook.yml. As per the task, just name it, and then we need to create this play. So you can put create an empty file, and then tasks or hosts. Gonna put all, and then we need to have tasks. So the names are listed. It is tasks. That means you can have as many tasks inside as you want. So I'm just gonna create one task. Task name is create an empty file in /tmp. I'm gonna use file module. Inside that, we need to specify path. So slash and the file name, file.txt as per the task, and then just need to put state touch. If you're wondering how I know this, you can simply do Ansible file module and then check this one, scroll down, you can see many examples. So we're using file and then path. You can, if you want, you can use these things as well, but at the moment I'm just going to use state with touch. That creates an empty file. Even you can use the description. So I'm done with that. In order to run this playbook, run the command Ansible -playbook, and then you can either supply playbook name, file name, or inventory, and then playbook. So once you run this, you can see one changed. So now what you can do, you can get into that server app server 2, or you can run a header command Ansible all -i inventory, and just use -a. Now run the command ls-l inside /temp directory. Now you can see this file.txt has been created. If we check the task results now, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.